Hey guys, today we're going to be making a bunch of sweets in the Peppa Sweet Shop by Cra-z-art Softy dough. The back of the box shows all the cool things that we can make and everything that's included in the playset. Okay, let's get started. It looks like we have to build the sweet shop. Inside we get 8 jars of softy dough. We get purple, blue, pink, white, yellow, red, orange, and green. 2 character molds. We have Peppa and George. We have 1 piping tool and 4 piping tool fittings. That's 1. And these are the others. We have a sundae dish, an ice cream dish, an ice cream cup. We have 2 spoons and 2 plates, 1 cake slicer. We have this 2-in-1 cutter and ice cream scooper, an ice cream cone, a cupcake mold, this cute pink and blue donut mold, a dough cake cutter, and the sweet shop, which we have to put together. It also comes with instructions. This is cool. This is an extruder. So the house has molds all over the floor, on the sides, on the back. Has molds everywhere. So first I think we'll make Peppa and George. For Peppa we'll use pink and red. Let's not forget to fill up her little arms with pink first. We also want her face to be pink. And her legs, and we want her dress to be red. Now we squish it down, and we have Peppa. Hey Peppa. Now we're gonna make George. Here's the blue for his clothes. It looks like a sandwich. Squish it down, squish it down. Oop. Oh, hey George. They're so cute. Now we can start making our treats. First, I think we should make a sundae. We'll be using our scoop to scoop out some ice cream. The first scoop is going to be yellow, maybe banana flavored. Ooh, that looks delicious. This one can go in the middle. We're going to use blue for blueberry flavor ice cream. It looks so real. I actually want to eat this. We'll add some red sprinkles, some white frosting. We're just going to put our Play-Doh right into the extruder. Ooh. This one needs some too. Ooh, and now we can use orange to make a teddy candy for the sundae. It's ready to eat. Oh, now we're gonna make an ice cream. We're gonna use green flavor and purple flavor. I love double flavor ice cream. And put them in the extruder. Oh, before the ice cream comes out, we need the ice cream cone here. And then down comes our ice cream. That looks delicious. We're gonna need a little more. Our ice cream looks delicious. Now we're gonna add a strawberry drizzle using our pink Play-Doh again. Ooh, but it had a little bit of white in it. To our ice cream, we're gonna add some blue stars. I made 4 stars for our ice cream. And our ice cream is done. Perfect for the summer. Now let's make a strawberry donut. We're gonna use red Play-Doh. Really squeeze it down. And then you could cut all the extra off. Let's see how our strawberry donut came out. Ooh, that looks delicious. We can put our donut on one of the little plates. And here's a spoon. I like sprinkles on my donut, so I'm gonna put some rainbow sprinkles. Done. Now I want to make a cake. For the cake I'll be using pink and white, and we're going to do a few layers. Put that layer on top. Now we're going to use the cake cutter to cut our cake. Ooh, I missed a layer. On top of the cake, we're gonna put a red heart. So cute. On the heart, we're gonna add some yellow sprinkles. I want a slice of that cake. We'll be using our cake slicer for a slice. This is a huge slice. I can put my slice of cake right on a plate, and here's my spoon. Last, we're gonna make an ice cream cup, and we'll be using the extruder with the 3 holes. We're gonna use yellow for the bottom part. We're gonna add an orange scoop of ice cream. We're using green swirl for this ice cream. This looks so good. It looks real. And for the ice cream, we're gonna add a lollipop on top from one of the molds in the back of the house. So I'm gonna use white and pink swirl, and for the stick, I'm gonna use red. Here's our lollipop. I'll put it right here. It looks delicious. All our yummy desserts. We have cake, donuts, sundae, ice cream, more ice cream, and the other piece of cake. Everything looks so good. Make sure to give us a thumbs up if you guys want to see more Play-Doh videos, and let me know which dessert was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of our videos, and we'll see you guys later. Bye!